Locking my hair has taught me something I honestly didn't expect. It didn't just change how I care for my hair, it also changed how I care for my children's hair. If you're a mom and you're feeling overwhelmed by your little one's hair that's always dry, overwhelmed with the amount of breakage that they're dealing with, or just too much information, then this video is for you. I've been locked for almost 3 years now. Can you believe it? Time has flown by, and I want to share some of the lessons my lock journey has taught me. Not about hair care for locks per se, but about intentional hair care specifically for children, because these lessons have honestly made me more grounded, more patient, and more confident when it comes to caring for my children's hair. One of the biggest changes because of my locks was introducing semi-permanent parts into my children's routines, specifically for my 5 and 9-year-old. Before, I was reparting every single time on wash day, and honestly this added unnecessary stress for me. Now I part their hair neatly once, and these parts guide everything else. I use these semi-permanent parts for washing, for detangling, for moisturizing, and for styling. Wash days become easier, maintenance becomes quicker, and hair care stopped feeling overwhelmed. And the key word here is semi-permanent parts. If I want to change their parts, I can, and sometimes I do, but I'm no longer forced to redo their parts every time. This structure created so much ease for me, and this ease is what leads to consistency. Lesson 2, locks forced me to simplify. It also confirmed that my simplified routine that I was already doing, I was on the right track. I've watched my own locks thrive. They are soft. Yep, no crunchy locks over here. They are healthy. They are moisturized with just shampoo, leave-in conditioner, and foam. That's it. No constant spraying my hair with water or constantly adding oils to my hair on a daily basis or just overdoing it. I now moisturize my locks every 2 weeks. Prior to this, I was moisturizing my locks on a weekly basis, but now I just need to moisturize my locks every 2 weeks, and that's every 2 weeks on wash day. And that's it. And my locks still feel and look amazing. Our hair, our locks doesn't need a cupboard full of products to thrive. I mean, I knew this already, but now I really know this. All right, mama, very quickly, if you're trying to simplify your little one's routine, but you don't know where to start or how to start, I've created a free guide that breaks this down clearly so you're not guessing. I'll link it below. After this video, download it. You're not going to be disappointed. Lesson 3, my locks taught me how to listen, to pay attention and to observe my locks rather than paying attention to any new or even old lock advice. And muting the noise has honestly made me a much better listener, even with my children's hair. Instead of forcing routines, I observe and then adjust only when needed. Instead of chasing trends, I respond to what their hair is actually doing in the different phases that their hair go through. And that's when progress becomes consistent. One thing I didn't expect was how closely my children would observe my lock journey. On a day I locked my hair, my eldest daughter, who is 9, she kept telling me that she wanted me to lock her hair. Now, when it comes to locking her hair, that's not going to happen right now. I don't mind her getting locks, but I want her to have locks when she actually wants it for herself and not because her mum has it. So I wanted to wait. Also, I want her to have more experience with handling and dealing with her own hair, because eventually I'm going to allow her to do her own hair, and I want to give her some time to experience her hair for herself. And then when she is ready and really wants to lock her hair for herself and not for me, as I said, then I'll allow her to lock her hair. They see how much I love my locks. They see the patience and they also see the confidence. And it reminded me that we're not just teaching hair care. We are teaching our children how to feel about their hair. I want them, as you know, to love their hair and themselves unapologetically. Mama, I'm honestly trying to create new generational cycles for my children. And if that means seeing me in love with myself, in love with my hair, seeing my confidence and all of the extras, then hey, that's what it's going to be. Lesson 5, my lock reties take about 3 to 3.5 hours, and I honestly enjoyed the process. I really love having that me time. When you're a mom with multiple children and a husband, you need that me time, you need that self-care, and this is the time I get to have that me time and self-care. So I really enjoy it, and it helps that I have a great loctician that I love to speak with when I go and get my reties, and that also completely changed how I see my children's hair days. From wash to moisturizing to styling for example, my 5 and 9-year-old, it takes about 2.5 hours. And instead of rushing and just hoping that wash day will go by as quick as possible, I see it as intentional one-on-one time with each child. We talk, we catch up, we sing, they share stuff with me that have happened at school or in their lives. It's such a precious moment to really bond with my children. So on wash days, only one child is allowed. So whoever I'm washing their hair, they are the only person allowed in the bathroom. That way we get that one-on-one time. Now, if you're a mom with multiple children, you know how important it is to have that one-on-one time with each child. And wash day in particular is one of the times where I get to have that one-on-one time with each child. As a mom with multiple children, this bonding time matters, and I don't take it for granted. When you love something, you take your time caring for it, and I honestly love my children's hair, so I give it all the time and TLC it needs, and I consciously make an effort to enjoy wash days and also help them to enjoy it. Okay, so lesson 6. A lot of moms sometimes they tell me that doing twists and plaits are a bit boring, or they get messy too quickly, especially the size that I like to do them, like more medium to large size, that they get messy too quickly or they're just boring. And I get it. I honestly do get it, and for me, I'm okay with that. I'm okay that they're boring, you know. For me in particular, I'm not a big styler because honestly, I'm not great when it comes to styling. I'm not a stylist. I'm not a stylist. So I keep my styles simple, tension-free, intentionally. It's intentional, and I know that these styles are not going to last. Again, it's intentional because I want to get into my children's hair to wash, moisturize whenever I need to, rather than having styles that last too long and keep me out of their hair. But mama, honestly, simple, tension-free styles like twists or plaits, they work. Of course, there are other simple tension-free styles you can do, like threading, bantu knots. You could even do a large to medium-sized cornrows, as I've spoken about in previous videos. Yes, there are other styles, but my preference is twists and plaits because they work. Honestly, they work for me. I can't even cornrow. Another thing I'm going to admit, I can't cornrow, but twists and plaits, they work. They work. And also, talking about styles, washing my children's hair in twists, for example, my 5 and 9-year-old confirmed something I was already doing with my children's hair. Like, gentle structure protects length. Yes, washing in twists protects length. I am a witness of this, and because of that, I cannot stop shouting from the rooftops of how beneficial washing in twists or loose plaits can be. Now, I know some of you may ask, you know, washing in twists, will the hair actually get washed properly? And yes, if you're using the right techniques to wash in twists or loose plaits, your little one's hair will be washed properly. Nearly 3 years locked, and I'm still using these principles. So if you know, I wash my hair in loose plaits. I've been doing this from the start, and now nearly 3 years in, as I mentioned, I'm still doing this, and it works. It really works. I'm able to get to my scalp easily and really focus on cleansing my scalp and also the full lengths of my locks, and it works. So I'm still going to do it. Actually, saying that, before I locked my hair, I used to wash my hair in twists anyway, so something that I enjoyed doing and saw the benefits. Washing my locks in loose plaits, honestly, it's been a game changer for me, and it's something that I'm going to stick to. I don't see myself washing my locks loose. Trust the process, mama, for your hair and for your little one's hair. If you want to know the reason why I locked my hair, check out the video showing right now on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. I break it down, so the reason why I locked my hair, how much it costs, my loctician, etc. Check that video out, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.